Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are on part 4, and as we already discussed about 3 parts also, in which we have discussed about the resume, and after that we discussed about the technical interview and one more video was there. So guys, if you have not watched that, so please go and watch them first. So after that, now talking about your HR interview preparation strategy. So we are here for part 4, and we will be discussing each and everything about HR round, and also we will be discussing your exact interview questions. So guys, watch the video till the end, and if you have not subscribed our channel, so subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that if there is any notification, so definitely you will get it earlier. So guys, now talking about your TCS interview. So as we have already discussed about 3 videos, and we have already discussed those students who did not got batched status and got the mail, and who got the mail but got the batch status, sorry, and did not get the mail. So in these counterparts, so we have already discussed about this. So if you haven't watched that, so please go and watch that earlier. So after that guys, if you are preparing for your TCS NQT August or November session, so you can go and watch our videos of TCS Smart Hiring. So in addition to government private job alerts, in which we provide you 2 to 3 government videos on government and private videos on daily basis. Plus we have also started the preparation strategy for your exams, and we got a good comments and lovable comments from the students. And if you still have any doubt, then you are most welcome and go and watch the videos. And if you do not want to watch the videos, so you can also read the comments from the students, those who got benefited by watching our videos or by preparing from our videos. So guys, now talking about your TCS HR interview, so we will be discussing each and everything in detail. So watch the video till the end. So guys, the first and the most important thing is, what is HR round? So guys, HR round is something like your personality check. Getting? So means what will happen? So your firstly your TR, that means your technical interview will take place, and in 98% your TR and HR takes place simultaneously. Getting? Means आपका जो TR होगा, means technical interview plus your HR will take place in a single interview call. Getting guys? So after that, now talking about, we will be talking about some of the important questions, or you can say the questions which have already asked in the interviews. Like if I'll talk about like previous year, it has been asked, or like previous to previous year. So these questions are really important, and like previously they have asked. So guys, now talking about your HR round. So as I told you, it will take place after your TR round, that is technical round, and your HR round will be at least 5 to 12 minutes. Getting? Your HR round will be from 5 to 12 minutes, or you can expand this from 5 to 15 minutes. Getting? Based on your performance in your TR round. Getting guys? So now talking about each and everything, so you can see your HR round. So firstly, as I told you earlier about the introduction, means how you have to give the introduction. And if you have not watched the video, so go and watch the video first. So we have discussed about the introduction, so let me tell you in brief. Mean in introduction means, as I already told you, mean mistakes or mistakes to avoid an interview, or what things you have to carefully watch in the interview. Firstly, let me tell you, mean when you are in the interview, so what will happen if you wish good morning? Getting? And if the interviewer again say that please introduce yourself, so do not say good morning. Getting? So that will be really a awkward condition. Getting? Now the second thing is, if interviewer said that yes please, hello, like your name is XYZ, hello XYZ, so please introduce yourself. So do not say that, sir, good morning, my name is XYZ and I am this. Getting? So that means you have to avoid your good morning and your name. After that, this is your introduction, so you have to briefly explain about your introduction. So after that, talking about your strength and weaknesses. I know there are a lot of rumors about among the students and speculations also, and in the many YouTube channels also, so there are a lot of things. So you have to hide your weaknesses, strengths, whatever. So let me tell you, make it clear, so this will be really easy and you will never forget this. Getting guys? So talking about your weaknesses and strengths, so getting, so guys, what happened in your HR round, or if I call it a MR round also. So let me tell you one thing also, means your TR round, HR round and MR round. So that means your 3 rounds are there. Now your, we are talking about your HR round, and after that we will be discussing about the MR round also, that is your managerial round. Getting guys? So in your HR round, so strength and weaknesses, this is the most important question. I mean they will definitely ask you, means tell about your strength, means they really wanted to know about yourself. Getting? Because you are a fresher, as I told you that you are a graduate, and more than 95% do not have any of the experience in any of the company. Getting guys? So that means they only have your resume that is being already read by them. After that your resume, after that you are there. Getting? You are there in front of them. That means they whatever they wanted to know, they will have to know from you only. Getting mean there is not a third person who will be telling that he XYZ is a great person, good personality. Getting guys? So I think you got it. So that means your strength and your weaknesses. So in your strength, what you have to do, you do not have to enhance your strengths. Getting means like if you have three strengths in your mind, so please tell them only, because be ready for the cross questions. Getting mean whatever you will speak, आप जो भी इंटरव्यू में बोलने वाले हो क्रॉस क्वेश्चन के लिए तैयार रहना. गेटिंग दैट मीन्स मैं वही बताना चाहता हूँ आपको कि जो भी आप बोलो उसका आपको काउंटर पार्ट आना चाहिए. गेटिंग दैट मीन्स वट एवर यू स्पीक इन द इंटरव्यू यू मस्ट नो इट्स काउंटर पार्ट, बिकॉज क्रॉस क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर एट एवरी इंस्टेंट. गेटिंग गाइज? So now talking about this is your strength, means if you have three strengths, like you are a team player, you are a leader, tell them only. And I suggest you, while speaking these things, include your examples also. Means like if you are saying you are a team player, so tell some of the incident, like tell them that, sir, for example, this. Getting? So this is your strength. And now talking about the weaknesses, so I suggest you that in your weaknesses, do not say, sir, I am lazy, I am not punctual. So avoid these things. That means what you have to speak. Now you will ask, sir, then what you have to we have to speak in the interview about the weaknesses, because they will definitely ask you the weaknesses. So from your weaknesses, what you have to speak, you can say that that the mean the for that position you are applying, means that is not relevant to that position. Getting? Means जिस पोजीशन के लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो, अगर आप उन वीकनेसेस को बताते हो तो उस पोजीशन पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. गेटिंग? बिकॉज जो इंटरव्यूअर है वो आपका इंटरव्यू लेने आए हैं. गेटिंग? और जो आपकी जॉब है वो उसी जॉब के अकॉर्डिंग जो उनको फिट लगेंगे बंदे, सिर्फ वही उनको सेलेक्ट करेंगे. अगर आप ये बोलोगे, सर, इफ़ यू विल से दैट, सर, आई एम लेजी, दैट मीन्स उन्हें तो अटेंटिव बंदे चाहिए. या आप बोलोगे, सर, मुझे अच्छी मीन्स आई एम नॉट गुड टू न्यू थिंग्स, मीन्स मुझे अच्छी चीज़ें पसंद नहीं है. अब ये तो सोचिए ब्लेंडर हो जाएगा आप लोगों के लिए, बिकॉज उन्हें तो जो अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, न्यू डोमेन, सो TCS इज नॉन फॉर दैट. आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप सी में हो, सो आप कभी भी पाइथन जावा में स्विच करवा सकते हैं. वो गेटिंग मीन्स जैसे ही आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट मिलने वाला है. So this is your first question, and I think we discussed it in much detail. So now talking about your second question. So your second question will be, are you willing to relocate? So I'll suggest you speak yes. Do not say, sir, no, I do not wanted to go in another states. Do not say this. You have to say yes. That's, sir, I'm okay to relocate. Getting, guys? Now talking about they can also ask you about the shift relocation. Getting? Means your first shift, second shift, third shift. So you have to say yes for each and everything that I am telling you right now. After that, talking about your future plans, so they can also ask you what are your future plans. Getting? Means आपको फ्यूचर में क्या बनना है. सो डू नॉट से लाइक दिस कि आप एक दो मीन 1-2 ईयर वर्क कर रहे हो एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल लीव द कंपनी एंड यू विल गो फॉर अनदर. गेटिंग? सो डू नॉट से लाइक दिस. आपको यही बोलना है कि मीन्स हमें इस कंपनी में रहकर काफ़ी अच्छा करना है, काफ़ी अच्छी इंप्रूवमेंट लेनी है, अच्छे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स हमें लेने हैं. गेटिंग? सो यू हैव टू स्पीक लाइक दिस. डू नॉट से कि सर हम तो इस कंपनी को छोड़ के अब नेक्स्ट कंपनी में ज्वाइन करेंगे, 1-2 ईयर्स के लिए हम एक्सपीरियंस लेने आए हैं. सो गेटिंग? यू डू नॉट हैव टू से लाइक दिस. Now talking about your next question, so where you want, means this is also a question, means within 5 years where you want to see yourself, means 5 साल में आप क्या देखना चाहते हो. So what I suggest you say, speak like this कि sir, means इसी कंपनी में रह के हम, means like in promotion I want to get 2-3 promotion in 5 years by my hard work, dedicated work, attentive work. Getting? So that means आपको ये बोलना है सर इसी कंपनी में रहकर हमें in within 5 years I want promotions, or I want to work hard so that, so I will be really, so that I can please my seniors also. Means like this you have to speak, और जिससे कि मुझे promotion मिले और अच्छा मैं काम करूँ. Getting, guys? So this is your next question. Now the most important question is, if rejected what you will do. Getting? I think you got the question. अगर आप हमें means अभी हम आपको reject कर देते हैं, so what you will do then. So do not say that कि सर रिजेक्ट हो जाएंगे तो कोई बात नहीं, कुछ और देखेंगे. ये नहीं बोलोगे, सर आई विल ट्राई नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑल्सो एंड आई विल बी कीप ट्राइंग टू दी अदर कंपनीज ऑल्सो. मीन ऐसा कुछ आपको बोलना है. ये नहीं बोलना कि मीन दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू ऑफेंड यू. गेटिंग, गाइस? मीन दे आर जस्ट चेकिंग योर पेशेंस कि आप क्या बोलते हो. अगर डीसेलेक्ट या रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं वो इस टाइम, सो स्पीक समथिंग लाइक वट आई कैन से कि कुछ अच्छा ही बोलना. यू हैव टू स्पीक. गेटिंग? So now talking about the next question. So as I told you, TCS is known for the change of domain. So if we ask you to change the domain, so what you will do, या आप क्या करोगे. अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप सी में काम कर रहे हो, हम आपको मैटलैब में, सेमिलिंक में या जावा में, जावास्क्रिप्ट में अगर आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट मिलता है तो व्हाट यू विल डू. सो से दैट कि सर हमें मीन वी विल गेट टू नो मैनी थिंग्स, टू नो न्यू थिंग्स ऑल्सो. means we will get many new things, new information, new technology, so that will be beneficial for our career also, and we will get to know each and many things also getting. So you have to speak in that way कि हम बहुत काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेंगी, ये नहीं कि सर आई एम इन सी सो आई विल डू ओनली सी, डू नॉट say like this. They are just checking you, mean are you flexible or not, getting. So means are you adaptable to the new technologies or not, getting guys. So this is your question. Now next question is, they can also ask you about your state, like in your introduction you will tell about that I'm from XYZ, I'm from Delhi, I'm from UP, I'm from MP, I'm from Karnataka. So they will definitely ask you about your state also. So this can be also one of the questions, so you must prepare this also, mean what about your state, मीन्स आपके स्टेट के बारे में तो कुछ दो चार चीज़ें अच्छी अच्छी सी आपको पढ़ लेनी है पहले से ही, गेटिंग. सो आफ्टर दैट नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम द कंपनी. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम द कंपनी, गेटिंग. सो आई सजेस्ट यू बिफोर द इंटरव्यू और बिफोर 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes or one day, I do not know, just you can decide this by your own, but before some time of the interview you must read about each and everything of TCS, getting history, what they work, and what is your job profile, each and everything. I think you all knows, but you have to speak it you properly and confidently. So before for speaking confidently you must read it before one day, 1 hour, whatever you wanted to, getting. So now talking about the next question, and I think this is one of the most confusing question among you, so I'll read out the question for you. So speak, so I'll read out. So the question is there anything which makes you different from other candidates? I think this is the most and striking question. I mean, आई नो आपको अच्छा अच्छा बोलना है, बट नाउ ये तो मीन क्या हो जाएगा कि आपको थोड़ा सा प्राउड फील करवाएंगे, गेटिंग, कि सर मैं ये हूँ, मैं ये हूँ. So about this question you can search it from anywhere and you have to write this in the notebook, because this is the good question, and I know you will stuck in this question if this will be asked, because when they will ask the question you have to respond instantaneously, getting. So you did not get the time to think or sir 1 minute 2 minute, so you do not have to say like this, getting. So this is the question, is there anything which makes you different from the candidates, getting. So you have to read some from somewhere, or you have to read some qualities and adapt in yourself before the interview. Now talking about as I told you, means the interviewer, they did not know about you much, so what they wanted to know about you, your hobbies, getting, your interest, because वो आपके इंटरेस्ट से पता चल जाएगा कि आप किस टाइप के पर्सन हो, गेटिंग. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. सो जो आपके हॉबीज़ है और इंटरेस्ट है, सो यू मस्ट रीड आउट सम फ्रॉम समवेयर, और यू कैन हाईलाइट दीज, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि एट द टाइम ऑफ इंटरव्यू यू कैन नॉट रिकॉल ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एंड यू विल फॉरगेट समथिंग, एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू विल रिमेंबर दिस while in your conversation, you will speak out those things, and that will be a awkward condition, getting. Now talking about next question, your how you applied before this, means have you applied for this, getting. means आपने इससे पहले कभी अप्लाई किया या कहीं पे अप्लाई किया है, सो यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर फ्रॉम एनीवेयर कि अप्लाई किया है तो इससे क्या होगा. और यू मीन्स आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि जो TCS कंपनी है उसके बारे में आपको अच्छा अच्छा ही बोलना है. मीन आई लाइक दिस इज माई ड्रीम जॉब, वट एवर, दीज आर द some of the questions we have discussed in this video, and if you still have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section, and we have also discussed about the TCS result also. If you have any doubt about best not got mail or anything else, so you can watch the videos, and if you have still anything or any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section also. So we have discussed about HR round, each and everything, and this is all about from our side, and do not waste the time and start preparing for your interview, because this is a crucial time for you guys, because this is more important than your written exam. Means you have cleared the written exam, that means you are one step away from getting your job. So prepare hard. So we are working for you, that is why we promised you that we will be covering within 4 to 5 to 6 videos. I mean complete your interview preparation will be there if you watch these videos. So I think, and means rarely any of the question will be left. So this is all about today's video. So in the next video we will be discussing about the MR round, because we got a lot of comments from the students that sir please discuss about MR round also. We haven't listened much about MR round, so we will be discussing about MR round in our next video. So till then, good luck and all the best. And one more thing, congratulations to those who got selected, and those who did not got the mail, please wait for some time, because TCS started sending the mails, so please wait for 2-3 more days. So all the best and God bless you all.